the city of San Marcos. This is Sunday, 4 days after the earthquake occurred. And this is a staging area for food and water that is being provided by the city. This is Edna and her mother Graciela. They live in San Marcos, friends of ours, friends of the mission. They've known us for years and years, and we've come to check on them and see how things are going. Okay, here we are in San Marcos at Edna's and Graciela's house, and it's been totally destroyed. Here we are at in a small aldea. It's a small town outside of San Marcos, and so this would be more the destruction that has taken place in a more rural area. And this family's home was completely destroyed, but I don't believe that that anyone was injured. Here we are in a more rural area again. This is a woman's kitchen, and the roof was totally destroyed and taken off, and you can see that it's heartbreaking. This is a home out in the rural out just outside of San Marcos. ¿Esta es su casa?
Sí, mire que
This is his house.
la que era mi casa porque realmente quedó totalmente destruida.
His house is totally destroyed.
Sí.
Okay, the family that was living in that's living up there in the house that was destroyed is now have moved all their belongings into this truck bed, the storage unit of this truck bed, and that's where they're living. Okay, there was a landslide here on Wednesday. Today is Sunday, 4 days after the earthquake, and there were 7 people who were buried in landslide here, and there's still 1 person missing. So that's what all these people are here looking to. This is a mine where 7 people were buried alive and were killed, and they're still looking for 1 person. This is outside of San Marcos, Guatemala. Today is Sunday, and the earthquake was on Wednesday, and they're still looking. This was all inundated by a landslide. And the people were We're buried in the truck that's right here in front of me.